Hi guys, Barry with Xybix here, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble the clamp-on transaction divider. So first of all, you're going to get a piece of plexiglass cut out with the transaction slot and 2 clamps and some thumb screws. So grab the clamps out of the bag here, and we're going to have to open this up to fit onto whatever surface we're going to clamp onto here. All right, so next thing we're gonna do is we have to take the protective plastic off of the plexiglass, so it's on both sides. So we wanna do this on a surface that is smooth and we're not gonna scratch the plexiglass. If you set it down on a surface without the protective layer and move it around, it will scratch, so be aware of that. So I'm gonna find an edge here where the blue plastic protective layer, you can start it, get it peeled up here. There we go. And I'm just going to work it across all the different parts of it. Got a section that's being a little stubborn here. That's okay. Part right in the middle. There we go. So you got to just kind of work it across until you get the whole thing. Okay, there's one side. So I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to be very careful not to slide it while it's on this surface. And I'm also going to recommend that you put down something soft. If you've got a clean moving blanket or something, that would be perfect. I didn't have one, so I'm going to be extra careful. So I can get this corner started here. Come close. There we go. There we go, both sides. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my clamp here and I'm going to clamp on through the hole in the bottom of the plexiglass into one of the smaller threaded holes on the back of this clamp. So I'm going to start with this side and I'm going to choose the lower of the 3 holes on the back of the clamp. Tighten it up with the handle, this part sticking down. So I'm going to do the second one here. So notice I'm going to pick this up and then set it back down, not drag it. Okay, I'll kind of tighten that up. Make sure they look nice and straight. Then I'm going to open them up a little more so I have a little more gap. So next I'm going to rotate the camera so we can put it on a surface. So we're going to move over here and I'm going to take this and I'm going to clamp it onto this edge. So you can see I just slipped the clamps over that edge and then I tighten this knob until that holds. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to get the other side. So there we go. We've got the clamp tightened, and now we have the transaction slot so we can move a paper back and forth through. Thank you.